available, and there is nothing he could do. He only had few desirable, like the likes of Dr. Ngozi Orabueze. I am not. People might say I'm not praising her, but I've seen what she's doing. What you do speaks for you. Exactly. That woman had every opportunity to come and tell Biafrans. The little he has convinced Biafrans, that woman had every opportunity to come every week to tell us how many minutes I've been speaking with PM, and people will believe her. But she has never said that.
You get the point.
She has never fabricated such.
You get the point, right?
You understand? That woman, let me tell you, Kai, the percentage Dr. Ngozi Orabueze had pulled this USB to 4 months now, 4 standard months. That woman had every opportunity to cook up a little lie.
Mm-hmm.
To push Biafrans, I mean, to flow around her, to flow behind her like a river. But that woman had never
done that.
How can Remy Jews and the Biafran Unite ask me to fall to people who cannot say the truth in their broadcast? They can't say the truth. Just say the truth and allow Biafrans to know what they do. Leave it. He said, you understand? Say the truth and leave Biafrans to know, to follow their mind. And you are cooking up lies. You are cooking up lies from here and there. If Ngozi Orabueze had if Ngozi is a liar, that woman had every opportunity now to cook up lies. Say, talk about how had talk with this. Even bring out a Zoom meeting that Obatobi is not talking. You can't hear his voice, but only Ngozi put up something like that, and people will say, "Wow." These ones will always come up with lies. Say this, say that, say that. Where is Commander Ross now? He's gradually going down little. After he had program with Vav, Commander Ross had program. The commander that is unknown had program with Vav. I was speaking in Vav program, and people are still following Vav.
Did he speak?
I don't know the guy.
Did you hear his voice?
Can you imagine?
Did you hear his voice?
These are people. I know these are people that will always rally around him. When people will say, keep on clapping, they keep clapping, watching it, you are doing it. So what I'm saying in conclusion, Mr. Kai, is that it's very unfortunate that Mazen Nnamdi Kanu sought for the desirable people that are qualified to work with. What he saw, or people he worked with, were people who were available. They were not useful, but they were available. He managed them until they dealt with him. Then when it comes to impact, what our people are doing now is that, just like there is one guy you promoted his platform recently, and somebody was telling you that if this guy messes up, that they will hold you responsible, and you were just like trying to. I'm telling you what I'm trying to say, that I follow your page, I follow your program.
I believe that
so
you're following my brother.
Yeah. So what most of us are doing, when I see that YouTube is paying, and I know the area where people will follow me quickly and I will get money very fast, I will open platform through that area and beg big broadcasters like you to help me. And when I get what I want, like the likes of 555 and all the rest of them, I will start showing the person that I am. The true me will come out. So let me quickly announce to people, broadcasters who may be listening to this or this, like the likes of Unite and the Refugees, following your page is not following your personality. The day you deviate, people with their right senses will leave you, and people that respect you will start abusing you. So it's very unfortunate. I cry for EPA and I pray for Ngozi Orabueze. The worst thing that will happen to a leader is to work with the available, not the desirable. Because every leader would have people he desired he would work with to make his time a memorable one, a regime to remember in years to come. But it's quite unfortunate that what you desire is not what you get. You only get what is available.
Thank you so much.
I don't have work, just I'm available. Follow me, I'm available. Not that I am ready. The readiness is different from available. I know me away him now.